Welcome to the Choithrams family. Today marks the beginning of your journey with one of the most respected retail organizations in the region. As we celebrate 50 years of goodness, let's take a moment to understand our remarkable journey and the values that define us. Our story begins in 1944, in the heart of Freetown, Sierra Leone. It was here that our visionary founder, Mr. Thakurdas Choithram Pagrani, opened a small grocery store with a big dream. Born in 1914, Mr. Pagrani's entrepreneurial spirit and commitment to serving communities would lay the foundation for what Choithrams is today. That single store was more than just a business, it was the seed of a legacy that would grow across continents. Mr. Pagrani's vision wasn't just about selling groceries, it was about creating value, building relationships, and serving communities with dedication and integrity. Under the guidance of our board of directors, led by Chairman Mr. Lekhraj Pagrani, along with distinguished members Mr. V.L. Pamnani, Mr. Kishore Pagrani, and Mr. Ramesh Thanwani, we continue to grow while staying true to our founding principles. Let us understand about our vision and mission at Choithrams. We are driven by a powerful vision that guides everything we do. Our full of goodness vision is clear and ambitious to be the preferred fresh retailer and distributor of choice in the GCC region. But this isn't just about business success. It's about taking care of two essential groups, first the people we work with and the communities we serve. This vision comes to life through our carefully crafted mission. We are committed to delivering full of goodness in two key ways. First is through our expanding network of neighborhood stores. These are not just retail outlets, they are community hubs, strategically and conveniently located to serve our customers where they live and work. Second is by continuously adding value and driving growth for our principals. This approach helps us achieve our goal of becoming the distributor of choice in both new and developed areas within the GCC region. As we embark on this journey together, it is important to understand the core values that guide our actions and decisions at Choithrams. These values are not just words on a page, they are the DNA that runs through everything we do. At the heart of our business is customer centricity. We put the customer at the center of everything we do. Our mission is to deliver exceptional experiences and exceed their expectations every single day. We also lead by leadership. Not just through our words, but through our consistent actions within our industry. We set the standard for excellence and innovation. Next is our unwavering commitment to integrity. We are honest, ethical, and treat everyone with the utmost dignity and respect. Trust is the foundation upon which we build lasting relationships. We also believe in meritocracy, rewarding results and recognizing the efforts of our dedicated team. When you excel, we make sure your contributions are celebrated. Finally, we are boundaryless. Now, let us know about our legacy. Our story is one of enduring resilience and visionary leadership. It began in 1944, when our founder Mr. Thakurdas Choithram Pagrani opened a small grocery store in Freetown, Sierra Leone. From those humble beginnings, we have grown into a modern retail powerhouse, expanding our footprint across the GCC region. Key milestones along our journey include establishing Natco Foods in the UK in 1961. Opening our first supermarket in the UAE in 1974. Pioneering supermarket and distribution networks in Oman, Bahrain, and Qatar between 1992 to 1994. Conceiving Cape Fresh Industries in 2014. And in 2024, we proudly celebrate 50 years of legacy, earning the prestigious IMS certification. Talking about our global presence. At Choithrams, we take immense pride in being a globally connected organization. Our roots have spread across continents, reflecting our vision of bringing goodness in action to every corner of the world. from the United States to the United Kingdom, through Europe and Spain, and extensively across Africa in countries like Senegal, Guinea, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Cameroon, Ghana, and Benin. Our presence resonates with communities we serve. In the Middle East, our footprints are strong in Bahrain, Qatar, Oman, and the UAE, where we are headquartered. We've also extended our legacy to India, China, Thailand, and Vietnam, expanding our impact across Asia. Each region represents an opportunity to create value, build partnerships, and serve communities through quality and care. Choi Trams is a diverse and dynamic organization with a broad portfolio spanning various business sectors. Our retail operations include supermarkets in the UAE, Qatar, and Bahrain, along with our growing e-commerce presence, making shopping more convenient for our customers. In distribution operations, we cater to UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, and Oman, serving general merchandising, HoReCa, and the Rainbow brand, alongside our e-commerce and international sales. Through Cape Fresh International, we manufacture, process and distribute products as our own brand called as Goodness Foods. The product range includes fruits, dry fruits, pulses, flour, juices, etc. This is managed by sub-functions like our warehouse, Goodness Foods, Leon Production, and our state-of-the-art central kitchen. Supporting all these operations are our support functions, which ensure seamless processes in supply chain, transport, and fleet maintenance. Projects and engineering. Quality, health, safety and environment. HR and administration. Finance. And IT. Together, these sectors work in harmony to deliver the Choi Trams promise of quality, reliability, and goodness in action. At Choi Trams, we are proud to manufacture and represent our in-house brands, which bring quality and trust to every household. Goodness Foods is our premium line of wholesome nuts, dried fruits, and seeds, catering to a wide array of consumer range. Vienna Bakery delivers freshly baked goods with an emphasis on taste and quality, reflecting our passion for artisanal baking. Leon, our tea brand, offers a fine selection of premium garden teas, ensuring a perfect cup for every tea enthusiast. These brands exemplify our commitment to excellence, innovation, and bringing goodness to life. At Choi Trams, we take pride in partnering with some of the most beloved and trusted global brands to bring diverse and high-quality products to our customers. Our distribution portfolio includes well-known names such as Batuk, Kalfani, Gits, Natco, Capilano, Rainbow, Quaker, Mentos, Alpenlibe, Taj Mahal, Mother's Recipe and many more. These brands represent a wide array of categories, from confectionaries to pantry staples, ensuring a product for every need. Additionally, our distribution product offerings also feature Snips, Thai Choice, Frutella, Sanremo, Smint, Long Chips, Baxter's, Weetabix, Truvia and many more, showcasing our dedication to providing choice and quality to our customers. Our company was established in 1974 and has grown into a leading retail and distribution brand in the UAE. We operate 50-plus supermarkets, supported by 6 offices, Dera Head Office, Al Quoz, Al Rais, Abu Dhabi, and Al Ain, and 6 warehouses, Al Quoz, Dera, Ras Al Khaimah, Abu Dhabi, Avir, and Al Ain. With a strong distribution network and a team of 2,500 plus employees, we ensure seamless operations. We are also the authorized distributor of Rainbow products and have our own manufacturing units producing Goodness Foods, Leon Tea, and Vienna Bakery products. Welcome to our operations in Bahrain. This is a story of growth and success that began in 1993 in Salmania. Today, We are proud to be the largest supermarket chain in the kingdom. With 16 Mega Mart and 2 Macro Mart outlets, we offer a wide range of high-quality products to meet the needs of Bahrain's diverse community. Our extensive distribution network ensures prompt delivery, supported by modern distribution centers and a dedicated fleet that keeps our operations running smoothly. We are trusted distributor for leading brands such as Capilano and Mother's Recipe. We take pride in our own brands, Baba and Gold, offering products like nuts, sugar, flour, and spices that are distributed across our Baba Sons stores, other retailers, and wholesalers. In Bahrain, our operations span across retail supermarkets, distribution networks, and packaging units, reflecting our commitment to quality, efficiency, and excellence. Choi Trams expanded into Qatar in January 1994, establishing a legacy of trust and excellence in retail. Today, we proudly operate 10 Megamart and 2 ShopRite supermarkets, making us one of Qatar's strongest retail businesses. Our supermarkets provide a diverse range of products. Our retail and distribution network is designed to deliver exceptional service and reliability. From FMCG food and non-food items to pharmaceutical and novelty products, we ensure the highest standards of quality and variety. In Qatar, our operations seamlessly integrate retail supermarkets and a robust distribution network, setting benchmarks for efficiency and customer satisfaction. In Oman, Choi Trams has established itself as a leading distribution company since its inception in 1992. We proudly partner with top global brands such as Mother's Recipe and Ajinomoto, ensuring the best products reach the Omani market. Our operations are headquartered in Muscat, supported by 2 central distribution centers and a network of 4 regional sales offices located in Sohar, Salalah, Nizwa, and Sur. With extensive warehousing and advanced logistics, we ensure smooth and quick delivery to even the most remote locations across Oman. Our robust remote connectivity system enhances our efficiency, ensuring every delivery is accurate and timely. At Choi Trams, we are proud to have a visionary leadership team that drives the organization forward, ensuring we stay true to our mission of delivering goodness in action across the GCC. This brings us to the introduction of our leadership team. UAE, we are guided by a team of dynamic leaders who lead their respective functions across the GCC. Ashutosh Chakradeo, our Chief Retail Officer, ensures excellence in retail operations. Chandra Vikram Prahlatka, our Chief Financial Officer, leads with financial acumen. Kishore Bhatia, our General Manager for Commerce, drives business strategies forward. Arunachalam P., our Chief Technology Officer, spearheads technological advancements. Smita Vijay, our Head of QHSE, ensures quality, health, safety, and environment standards. Kapila Karunathilka, our Head of Supply Chain, keeps operations seamless. Satyajit Bhatt is our Leasing Manager. And Kunal Wadhwani, our Chief Human Resources Officer, focuses on nurturing talent and organizational culture. Our GCC leadership team plays a pivotal role in driving our regional operations. Anil Nawani, General Manager for Bahrain, oversees our largest supermarket chain in the kingdom. Cherian Thomas, General Manager for Qatar, ensures strong retail and distribution networks in the region. Mahesh Tulsani, General Manager for Oman, leads our operations with a focus on logistics and service excellence. At Choi Trams, our culture is built on 5 foundational pillars that reflect who we are and what we stand for. Diversity and inclusion. Sustainability. Corporate social responsibility. Employee engagement and learning. Awards and recognition. Together, these pillars define the spirit of Choi Trams. Our corporate social responsibility initiatives reflect our commitment to making a difference. Since 2015, we have donated 5.3 million meals through our partnership with the World Food Programme. We announced a grant to the Al Jalila Foundation, supporting cutting-edge medical research and treatment. Through the Stop the Waste campaign, we continue to sensitize consumers on food waste, working hand-in-hand with the United Nations World Food Programme. Choithram Netralaya has restored the vision of over 76,000 blind individuals, a testament to the power of hope. A 3-month campaign highlighted the UAE's contributions to global education for vulnerable communities. This Ramadan, our partnership with Médecins Sans Frontières brought hope to 20,000 women in Malawi, supporting healthcare and well-being. Through these efforts, we aim to create lasting impact for communities around the world. Sustainability is at the heart of everything we do. Our sustainable living plan is guided by 7 pillars. Nature, preserving natural ecosystems. Health, promoting wellness and healthy lifestyles. Carbon, reducing our carbon footprint. Innovation, advancing solutions for a sustainable future. Community, supporting the societies we operate in. Employment, creating opportunities for growth. Dialogue, fostering meaningful conversations about sustainability. At Choithrams, we take measurable steps to minimize our environmental impact. Replacing traditional light bulbs with energy-efficient LED lamps to reduce energy consumption. Installing aerated water taps in all supermarkets and offices to minimize water wastage. Introducing dishwashers in our head office and sitar office, reducing water usage significantly. We are also working towards addressing food waste, plastic packaging, and reducing our overall carbon footprint. Through these initiatives, we are creating a greener, more sustainable future. At Choithrams, diversity and inclusion are more than just values. They are the foundation of our success. With employees from over 21 nationalities, we bring together a tapestry of cultures, experiences, and perspectives. From India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and the Philippines to Ghana, Zimbabwe, Kenya, Egypt, Cameroon, Nepal, the UAE, and beyond. We represent a truly global workforce. Our diversity extends across generations, fostering a unique blend of energy, wisdom, and innovation. Whether young professionals or seasoned experts, everyone finds their place at Choithrams. We believe in celebrating our differences while working together towards a common purpose, delivering goodness in action. Through this diversity, we continue to thrive as one unified team. At Choithrams, we believe that engaged employees are the heart of our success. Our annual day celebrations are a testament to this, where we come together as one family to celebrate achievements, showcase talent, and create cherished memories. We believe in celebrating our differences while working together towards a common purpose. Delivering goodness in action. Through this diversity, we continue to thrive as one unified team. From cultural festivals to fun-filled games, our fun and festive activities add a spark of joy to our daily lives. These moments of celebration foster teamwork, camaraderie, and a true sense of belonging. Continuous growth and learning are at the core of who we are. Through engaging learning activities, workshops, and training programs, we empower our employees to enhance their skills and achieve their full potential. Whether it is celebrating milestones, embracing festivities, or fostering development, Choithrams is committed to creating an environment where every employee feels valued, inspired, and ready to thrive. At Choithrams, we don't just work. We engage, celebrate, and grow together. Because when our people flourish, so does our organization. Choi Trams has always stood as a beacon of excellence, and our journey has been marked by remarkable achievements. We are honored to have received the Business Impact Award 2024 for our contributions to the retail and distribution industry. Our sustainability efforts have been acknowledged by Emirates Nature WWF, and we are proud recipients of the Dubai Cares Appreciation Award for supporting education and community development initiatives. Our initiatives to drive green practices have earned us the Green Giving Initiative Award, reflecting our commitment to a sustainable future. As an organization, we prioritize our people, which has garnered us the title of Global Best Employer Brand. Furthermore, our efforts in creating awareness about food safety were recognized by the Dubai municipality with an award for raising awareness of food safety. Our efforts to celebrate heritage and embrace diversity have been rewarded with the UAE National Heritage Award. We have also been recognized for fostering inclusive practices through the Champion of Inclusion Award. Lastly, our leadership and employee development initiatives have earned us the prestigious Global HR Excellence Award, highlighting our commitment to being an employer of choice.